everyone. So this is Legit Jen on a Monday. Sorry, I don't have my tripod, so you might be a little shaky. But I just wanted to introduce that you caught me red-handed trying to do two things at once. And I hope you love this video. I had to stop what I was doing, open something, and then bunny trail down. So I wanted to bring you on my little bunny trail. Again, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction, and thank you so much for all that you do, and I look forward to sharing this with you. Bye-bye. Okay, you guys caught me finishing up my mystery painting. Oh, that one needs to get pressed in just a little bit more. I'm on my lunch break. I needed a little breaky before I started case noting for the afternoon. And so I started finishing this up, and then look what the mailman brought. Look what the mailman brought. Yeah, I know, you're not here for my singing. But what that means is it is time to pull this baby out. Treasure Studios art and our magical world of gnomes. And so it is time to pull this out. And also I have my drills right here. We're going to start this live this Friday. So excited with Crafting Journey with Rebecca. She's going to come on my live and we're going to chew the fat, talk about gnomes, talk about Halloween, talk about life, just kind of having some good times. And this is from Treasure Studios Art. Now, those who purchased this from TSA the first time when we made the announcement video, you guys should be getting your paintings any day now. Bless Rachel and Peter. They took one for the team and paid for premium shipping for all of us, and they sent it DHL, and so you should be getting it shortly. Those who purchased it after the first round, they are coming, and not to worry, this is a longer, you know, what do you call it? My brain just farted on me. It just left me. This is a longer collab, so you will have time to catch up. Otherwise, grab something Halloween-like and join us on the journey. Okay, so this is the image. I did get round, and I'll show you here. Here's some that I have on the side. They are 2.5, and I put little, because they're so small, the drills, there's not a lot of weight to them. In the bags, they were just going everywhere. So by putting in this little tab that you put in your laundry, it helps take away some of that static clean. All right. Now, why am I bringing this out now and not Friday? I'm bringing this out because I went through and bought some extra sparkle that I can put in here. And I wanted to open it and show you, give you enough time if you want to order as well. The link is down below for Tina's site, DP with Sparklers. And she always has amazing things. So here's the packing slip. Here's a beautiful sticker. She has a personal note, thank you. And Ren and Charity packed this for me. I love that it's a family business. They all support each other. And what did I get? Okay, so I got pearl glow glass. These have like a pearl essence, and then they also glow in the dark. I got pineapple. They also glow in the dark. And then I purchased a few sparklers to see if they would work. So I did red, just red in general, because the mushroom is red. I did fire, which is an orange color. I did garnet, which is a deep dark red. And I did sunshine, which is more of a yellow. And I purchased these just kind of, I don't have any of these colors. And I'm going to see which ones might go best on the painting. And I could change my mind, but I was thinking up here, the moon. Okay, so I'm going to move this so we can all see the moon together. I'm going to actually bend it. Well, not bend it, but just kind of twirl it so we can see there's the moon. And the moon has little arrows, P's and F's here. So the arrows are 739, P is 746, and the F is 316. So when you put these together, sometimes the Harbor Freight sticks on the end. When you look at these colors and then you look at the sparklers, I think the Pineapple Glow is going to go really well. And the pearl might be a little bit too white. We'll see. I might add some pearl and substitute that. I don't know. But I might just do the pineapple. Yeah. So I might substitute that. Okay, close these so I don't spilla. Then the other part I thought about was this handle part right here. And it has, for the glow, I was thinking some sunshine right here. So X. Let's pull out an X. So this is more yellow, but I was thinking of replacing that with the sunshine. Now, I know they don't match up, but it might be kind of cool to have some sparkle. And instead of, oh, I keep wanting to say ombre, but the shading, I might get rid of all the shading and just do the flame and the sunshine. You know, it's my painting. I can do what I want, right? And then his light is also P, and this is P as well. His light on his helmet, if you can see right here. So I might do some of the pineapple glow glass. And then I was looking at these mushrooms. So in the mushrooms, I got some orange, some garnet, because I didn't know how deep this red was going to be when I ordered this. All right, so let's look at C. C is more of a bright, so that might not be a good replacement. Let's see, they have this darker 814. That might be what I put some of these reds with, which is a little bit through here. We'll see. I don't know. It's this darker, it's like a darker red right through here. I may just, you know, throw them in. Who knows? I don't know. But we will see, and we will have lots of fun doing it. Mostly I wanted to do the lights, like the candle, the moon, the light on his hat. I did want to potentially do some orange, but I don't know where I want the orange to go. A lot of it is just going to go by feel as I do it. If you are going to purchase sparklers or glow in the dark, please pay attention. Treasure Studios Arts does 2.5 rounds. So you're going to need to purchase the S4S, which is sparklers for squares. They are still round, but squares, when we buy squares, they're normally 2.5. And so she created sparklers for squares because you can't tell they're rounds when they're in the painting. And so these are 2.5. And again, for the sparklers, you get the squares. So the S for S is what you're going to want to look for. She did have some green options. I wasn't sure about those, so I need to look into them. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys. I'm actually going to go take a picture of this because I'm going to use this both for our collab, which is #AdventurousJourney2020, but I'm also going to use it for my #DrillsAndChills, which I'm extremely excited about. So until next time, be blessed, take care, grab your Halloween painting, and I will see you Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. If you're watching Fridays on #replay, not a problem. That's why we videotape things, right? So I love you all. Take care. Be blessed. Bye-bye.